to log out of 8-ball pool. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you're playing 8-ball pool and want to log out of your account, first of all launch open the 8-ball pool app on your device. Once you're inside this main home page, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile picture. Now you'll be inside this trophy road page, go to the top left and tap profile. Once you're inside the profile section, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear button. Once you do that, this will take you to the settings tab where you need to scroll down until you see this logout button. To log out, tap the logout option. And you have successfully logged out of 8-ball pool. So there you have it. You can sign back in any time to continue your progress. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.